Okay, number one step to making my stuffing. Cook the sharish. This is the number one. Make sure it's cooked nice and good. Next step, pour everything into the pan. And with the sharish, add a little bit of one container of the seasoned Goya over here. One bag of it each. If you do two pans, like I did, I put one bag on each pan. And now, you just put everything into the pan. Next, you're gonna take the sweet sausage. This is the one I use. You're gonna twist it out to take the bag out. You're gonna twist this to take the bag out and chop up the sausage in the frying pan. I'll show you what it looks like when it's ready. Okay, after the sausage is all cut up like that into small pieces, you want to put it in the frying pan and just cook it until it's good and cooked. While it's frying, you want to put one package each of the Goya in each pan. Once the sausage is cooked, pour it into the pan where the linguiça is. Next, you want stovetop stuffing mix, cornbread. And it gives the instructions how to make it on the side. Me, I put in 4 cups of water and I put a whole thing of butter and I mix it in. Once the stuffing is mixed and done, I usually use 2 boxes. You can do one of everything if you want to make smaller portions. You mix it in with everything else. Alright, so you got the sharish, you got the stuffing, and you got the sausage. Everything all mixed in. Next, what I have to do now, onions. I got regular yellow onions. Plus, I use the chopped already ones from Stop and Shop. The diced yellow onions, already all chopped up. So I use 2 of those. And 2 of those. I chop this all up and then I mix it all and then I fry everything together. And then you mix it in here. Once you got the onions all cut up, you mix everything together and now you just fry the onions. If you want with the onions, you can add another package of the Goya. I usually do. When the onions are done, you come and you mix everything in together now. Next part is the bread, the stuffing bread. Now on this one, you're gonna mix everything together. So what you wanna do, make sure you wash your hands really good. At least 30 seconds. With Dawn or something, wash your hands really good. I know, baby, I'm washing them. With your hands all nice and clean now, you want to wet the bread just a little bit take pieces like this and just wet it just a little bit, not too much. And then you want to break it apart. You want to break it apart like that with the whole bread. I do 2 loaves of bread. I break it apart, I put it in. And then when it's all done, you mix everything together. Alright, with the bread all chopped up, ready to mix up, you want to take the vinegar. I use all natural Choice Foods apple cider vinegar. So hang on a second. What you want to do is just splash a little bit here, a little bit there, a little bit everywhere, and then mix everything. Okay, and that's what it should look like after everything's up. Pat everything all down nice and smooth. Put it in the microwave for about, I say about a half hour to 45 minutes. If it still feels too soft, a little bit longer. I say around 325 degrees. Once the oven is hot enough, put it in the stuffing. Hang on a second. Put it in the oven. I say about every 10 minutes, take it out, check it. You might want to pour just a little bit of vinegar, just on the top, just a little bit, sprinkle it around. In about 45 minutes, it should be done. If you want it a little bit thicker or hotter, a little longer, it's up to you. But that's pretty much it.